I'm gonna try and describe this better. So again, I'm an amateur, not accredited theoretical cosmologist. I arrive at reliably 4 to 5 decimal places of 99.99. I determined 0 is 2 11ths by solving equal and opposite, and I arrive then at the vacuum permeativity constant from this. And this verifies when I describe the Earth as a black hole. This is the average wave size of a Beaufort wave scale, the average wave size on Earth. And then when I attempt to take my 3-body problem, that's what I produce in 11-dimensional space, which is what this predicts. I then arrive, when I check Mars, it's perihelion and orbit, I arrive with an extra body, an extra object spinning at the end of my 3-body problem. Mars has 2 moons, Earth has 1. So, I'm fluent in what I'm talking about. Alright, so you locate the millennials, which is the generation born under the pandemic, and you find that they're an echo of the greatest generation. But if you check Generation GI and you count backwards 1, 2, you arrive at the missionary generation. So the pandemic generation is known as Generation Alpha, the homeland generation, you count back 1, 2, and you arrive at Generation X. Now, what links Generation X and this missionary generation? You can actually find it in music. One is in the inverse position or opposite position of the other, indicating a wave. So, the opposite of missionary would be, the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse kind of thing. So, where am I going with all of this? Well, according to my chart here, we're missing a supernova in the 1980s. Located right here, and you can see this is location of Kepler, 1604, and when you look at where the Carrington event is, so this is 233 years to about 1859, 1860, and this is 144 years to about 2004, 2006. You look at this and you realize there might be a supernova missing right here from our records. And I'm suggesting it's coming from the region of NGC 6993, but that's it's a complicated program. Unix 4, they found a copy of it from about that time, and it was lost. And my charts, they add up quite well. Tulip Mania and Kepler. And we check Howl, so that the dogs, people with telescopes have dogs because they're out in the woods. And this is how Howl lines up with astronomy and physics quite well, so that there's a supernova missing.